Hello guys, in this video I am talk about Houston Martian layer at particle Daniel law. Our Houston Martian layers are well equipped to handle difficult maritime injury cases that other Houston Martian law firms find too complex. Houston Martian injury law, also known as admiralty law, has a lot of quirks and inconsistencies. It takes an experienced maritime injury attorney to be able to see these inconsistencies, and we find them every case that makes it to our Houston law office. Houston maritime workers are at a disadvantage in some maritime cases. In other maritime injury cases, they have some advantages in their favor, but only a skilled Houston maritime attorney will be able to figure it all out. So whether you are in Houston, Harris County, Persida, Byton, or the outlying suburb, if you have been injured at sea and are in need of a Houston maritime injury attorney, particle and denial law is here to help. Contact our Houston maritime lawyer for a free consultation. Peregrine denial in an icon among Houston maritime attorneys, gaining the district through 20 years of maritime law in Houston, Texas, and around the Gulf Coast. Particle and digital and argued maritime injury cases from both sides and has extensive experiences not only in the way Houston maritime law causes proceed, but also in the work that goes on at sea by employees of hundreds of Houston maritime companies. Here is a short list of the type of Houston maritime injury cases he has handled in both Texas or elsewhere. If you sustained a maritime injury in Houston similar to the above and would like a free consultation with our Houston maritime lawyers, or to find out more about our Houston maritime law services online, Houston is much more than oil and aerospace. A recent study showed that Houston, TX, is the number 2 city in the country for jobs connected to maritime through the moving of cargo between U.S. ports. Only nearby New Orleans has more workers in the maritime industry. When you add up the workers from all Texas ports, it puts Texas as the number 3 state in the US in cargo transportation between American port. The port of Houston includes over 200 private and public terminals handling over 8,200 seagoing vessels and 215,000 burger every year. Thousands of maritime employees call the Houston area of home. It should come as no surprise then that there are a multitude of maritime injury causes in Houston. Maritime workers who was injured at sea do not have many of the resources that land-based workers do, and often have to hire a maritime injury lawyer in Houston to protect their rights and help them recover losses that stem from them. Maritime injury. Houston maritime lawyers are plentiful, and they now admittedly law inside out, but experience is key. As an elite maritime injury lawyer, founder Patrick Denial has litigated hundreds of maritime injury cases and has substantial recoveries for his clients. But this progress requires more than a successful courtroom attorney. Attorney Maritime is grilling up for giving and raw and any Houston. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye guys.